So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how fast this Nerf gun shoots. This Nerf gun shoots. And last but not least, this one. I have my iPad and I'm going to be showing you guys. I'll start with this one. 3, 2, 1, go. It's jam, you guys. Pause. You guys, it took me, I think, was that 30 minutes? 30 seconds and 55, 57 seconds. Yes! Now, this one. This one. Put that away. And 3, 2, 1, start. Out. Done. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Wait, I'm reloading.
What? You can cut it out. What's up, peeps? Jordan, you might want to cut that video a little bit.
What?
Because
What did you say?
I turned my finger on. So, might be. Just let me cut it when you're done. Ooh.
I'm gonna reload this. Next one. Two more bullets to go. Go get. Go get the second one. This one. I'm gonna shoot it at you guys. Man, I need to get my time on. Really? Research. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna show you guys the time. be shooting it at here. Like that. Right about here. That's good. But I'm going to take something off of it. Wait a second. I got it now. So, I'm just going to put it on. Let me see if it works. I hope you work. Remember first. Yes, it's gonna work. Hallelujah. Hey, I just made something now. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. 43 seconds. Yes, sir. So, I'm gonna reload that. I'm still loading it. I might do another video right now. I don't know how long it's been on my video. And if you didn't check out my last video, that was my first video ever made. So, yep. And I have to keep on loading this. Why? Mariah, what are you doing? Right, my sister's watching like a Boss Baby episodes or something. Okay. More. Wait. Dad, am I allowed to do another video on this video? Okay, so that was it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Give this video nice. 700,000 likes. Bye, guys.